Okay, today we're going to write quadratic equations, and we are going to be given a set of numbers, and with that set of numbers we're told that they are on the parabola. So what we need to do is figure out what the equation is going to be. Given the standard form of the equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, I'm going to be looking to write this equation. So, first of all, I'm going to go over to my calculator and notice that this is where I want to be. I'm going to show you how to get there. So, I'm going to quit out of this, and the very first button I'm going to press is the Stat button. Okay, it's already on Edit, so I'm going to press Enter. The L1 is your x values, or are your x values, and the L2 are your y values. And so you're going to put in -1, and then 0 is your x's, and then 2. Okay, so those are all the x values that I need to enter for these 3 points, given that they are on the parabola. I'm going to go over to the L2 list. The L2 list contains the y values. So I'm going to put in -3, -4, and 6. Okay, so I have all of my numbers in the calculator. I'm going to go back to the Stat button, and I'm going to click the right arrow and go to Calculate. Now, notice there are different things that I can do. We're not going to use all these this semester, but for one, there's linear regression. You could actually find the equation of a line if you're given a set of points. Here's the quadratic. That's the one we're going to do. There's a few more that we're going to use later on the semester, like exponential. So if I go ahead and pick 5, which I could actually just press 5, notice that my calculator may look a little bit different than our classroom calculators. Some of these have a few more options, but I'm just going to click through, so I'm going to just press enter all the way through till I get to calculate. And then once I press calculate, I should see the standard form of the equation, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and it's telling me what the a value, the b value, and the c value is going to be. So if I come over here and write down a equals 2, b equals 1, and c equals -4. Now all I have to do is just plug in those numbers. Y equals 2x squared plus 1x minus 4. You don't have to write the 1 for the 1x, but I just did it anyway so that you would see the 3 numbers that I'm plugging into the equation. Okay, that's your answer, and that's all you have to do. Okay, that's it for this video.